Hey my crafters, today we're going to be making pipe cleaners hairband, and in your supply kit you have your hairband and your pipe cleaners. This is what it looks like. You're going to be using the white hairband, so that's the one you'll be using, and your pipe cleaners. You can mix and match any color, so watch me do it. Take out your pipe cleaners. This is me picking mine. I picked two of the same colors, and to get started, you hold one edge of your headband and you put a little bit of glue on it, just like that, and you place your pipe cleaner on it, just like so, and you start wrapping right from the tip. You want to make sure that tip does not, it doesn't show. So then you start wrapping. You wrap your pipe cleaners all around, just like that, and that's all you have to do for this headband. You have to keep wrapping. Once you get to the end of your pipe cleaner, you glue it down. Just put a little glue on it and press your pipe cleaner down. Again, you have to be careful. You can use your wooden stick to press it down so it doesn't hurt you. Then you place the second pipe cleaner just on it, and you start wrapping again. You just start wrapping. That's all you do. Make sure you wrap it tightly. Make sure you wrap this tightly. And again, when you get to the end of that one, you put a glue on it and you glue it down. You press it down. You can use your wooden stick just to do that. Then you take another color. So for me, I'm using different colors. You can use one color. I can use I'm just doing different colors for this one. So that's what you do. To start another one, you put your glue, press it down just like that, and you wrap. You keep going, you keep going, you keep going, and that is all you have to do. Please be very careful with the glue. It gets very hot, like you already know. So make sure someone is helping you, or you use the wooden stick, the long stick in your supply kit to press it down so your hand doesn't get burnt. So to start another one, you put that one right where the last one finished, and you keep wrapping, and that is all you do. So I'll show you what to do when you get to the end. So when you get to the end, you take one pipe cleaner, you cut it into two. Once you cut it into two like that, you will place it at the end of your headband, just like that, and you glue it down. You glue it down just like that. As you can see, you cut the remaining part, and you take the other half of your pipe cleaner and you wrap it around it. Again, be very careful with the glue gun. Then you wrap it around it, and that is all. And I just finished my own. Then just use your hand to flesh it out and make sure everything is covered. And this is mine. You just made your pipe cleaner headband. And thanks for watching.